Thokozani Makhehla, Thokozani Bokoko, Thokozani Nomkhulu. Gama lami nguMoyinto Zakankosi Zala kwaSebenza kwaSizwe. Today I'd like to talk about energies. I'd like to talk about spirits. I would like to talk about your ancestral, like how do they affect you each and every single year when you need to maybe try to build something for yourself, maybe trying to build some sort of success for yourself. Now, it all begins with you and your soul. It all begins with you and your soul. How do you acknowledge your ancestors so that they can acknowledge you back? You understand? Each and every single year, you are a human being, right? You are a human being. You face challenges. You have encounters with people. You face different kinds of energies. You attract different kinds of energies each and every single year. You understand? Now you need to understand this. As a human being, your aura is quite fragile. Your aura is quite fragile in so many levels. So now you need to pay attention to each and every little detail that you see. So because now whenever something happens, like let's say for instance, whenever something bad happens to you, you're gonna feel some sort of way. You're gonna feel down. Your energy is going to like izoyehla ngenye indlela exakile uzibuza ukuthi kahle kahle ngabe kwenze njani, and maybe it can take a day or two ukuthi recover from whatever that you have faced. You understand? So now you need to give back to your ancestors so that they can give you something. You understand? Because now definitely sure they are with you in each and every single thing that you do in your daily basis. One talk. So now it's very important to you to understand le nto le ukuthi uhlezi ba acknowledge abantu abadala ngoba most abantu emhlabeni asiphila kuwona, they have this question yokuthi why isn't this bad? They overpower the light. Why is the dark overpowering the light? You understand? The reason behind that is because of the same energies that provide light, it's the same energies that provide darkness. You understand? So how do you separate that? Because of now, the reason being they provide so much darkness in your life is because you do not acknowledge, you do not give back. You understand? That's why your energies, that's why you're gonna have so much darkness within you because you do not give back. Because the same energies that provide light, they definitely show, they definitely will make sure that they're gonna feed onto you. You understand? Because of now, they're quite desperate. They have given out everything that they have. What do you give back? That's the question that you need to ask yourself so that you can proceed with other things. Because now that same energies they have this, they are capable of ukwenza wena ukuthi usitake ngenye indlela exakile uzibuza ukuthi ngabe kwenze njani. Always pay attention to that. Like izokusiza ngenye indlela exakile ukuthi wena ubaprovidele abantu abadala ngoba that energy it's really into you. Now understand this. The universe provides for the ancestors, provides for different kinds of people. Like the universe, it's the mother actually. It's the mother of all humanity. It's the mother of all humanity. It's the mother of all humanity in so many levels. So now how you provide back to it, it's all up to you. Your soul depends on that energies that you provide light. So what I'm trying to say here is that the universe will provide for the ancestors will provide for the human being. Now definitely sure because of ngathi, in other words, ngathi siqashile, we're paying rent. Let me just put it that way. We're paying rent for breathing. We're paying rent for uhamba. We're paying rent for ukwenza izinto esizenzayo mihla namalanga. We're paying rent for each and every single thing that we have in this earth. You understand? So now the universe feeds onto amadlozi wakho. Amadlozi wakho feeds onto you. You understand? So now the earth as it is, it's extremely hungry. That's why uzobona ngokuthi-ke manje uma uvelele ingozi ikushaya ngenye indlela exakile uzibuza ukuthi ngabe kwenze njani na, uzibuza ukuthi why umoya wakho uhlezi uhlangahlangene, ngoba the universe is feeding onto your ancestors. Now the ancestors abasenalutho to provide for the universe, so now that's why uzovelela amabhadi, that's why uzovelela isimo esithize nesithize nesithize. You understand? So now for you to phokophela uye phambili, you need to provide back to the ancestors, you need to provide back to whatever that you have, acknowledge them in so many levels so that you can ukwazi ukuphokophela uye phambili and inhlanhla zakho zivuleke njengoba wena umuntu ukuthi uthanda ukuthi zingavuleka ngakhona. You need to understand that as a human being, because abantu abaningi but they have this idea yokuthi izinto ziyazizela njengoba. There's nothing like that. Izinto ziyenzakala ngesimo sokuthi siphila nemimoya ephakathi kuthina, siphila nemimoya ehlukahlukene. That's why nanoma uphila nomuntu ngokumthinta nje, you exchange energies of some sort. You understand? You exchange energies, you exchange certain things, and then amabhadi akhe wena kuyena like nje nikana in this world, nikana. So now if yakwazi ukunikana nomuntu ophila phansi komthunzi elanga, wangakwazi ukunikana nabantu abadala? That's the question you need to ask yourself. You understand that? So now the most important thing here is your soul. Your soul feeds onto your body. So now if your body does not have that strength, definitely sure usenkingeni ngehla likagogo. Inkinga zakho ziyanda each and every single day, ziyanda in so many levels. Pay back what the soul needs. The soul will pay back to the ancestors. The ancestors will pay back to the universe, and then you're gonna live happily ever after. Because of inkinga ezibakhona in each and every single year, it's because of ama-encounters, izinto esizenzayo, inhlamba lezi thina siyikhiphayo kubantu. You understand? The curse esikhipha kubantu. You understand? Now it boils up, it boils up, it boils up, it boils up to a certain ukuthi iba yini, kuba yi-energy ethize. You understand? So uma kuba yi-energy ethize, definitely sure izinto ziyaphi, they going south. You understand? So maziya south uzothi esayo nesengithakathiwe-ke manje ngabe kwenze njani, umama akangithandi, ubani bani akangithandi, usompempepe akangithandi. Kanti no, the problem iwena. The reason being also, let's say for instance uzobona umngani wakho, let's say for instance akugijimisa, akuluma, or whatever the case may be, that bad dream that you have about your friend, that will lead ukuthi wena ucabanga ukuthi uyakuthakatha. Kanti no, it's yinto eke yayenzakala, those energies boiled up to such extent ukuthi they feeding onto your fellow mates. You understand? And then the fellow mates kuba this kuba na this aura ebakhona, kuba na this like energy, a bad energy ezokwenza ukuthi uxabane nabantu, ezokwenza ukuthi isimo sakho sokuphila siyehle, esokwenza ukuthi ilanga lakho libhede. You understand? So those kind of energies wena zakhela wena ngezenzo zakho zenza mihla namalanga. You understand? So now one thing for sure that you need to know is that ukuthi each and every sin that you do, you're gonna have to pay it back. You're gonna have to rectify that mistake. Nanoma ungazenzi zonke, nanoma uzikhohliwe ezinye, kodwa from January to December you have so much in your bag. It's quite heavy. So that baggage, that luggage, that burden ozongena nayo to the next year is gonna accumulate. When it accumulates, it provides certain sicknesses, it provides certain hatred, it treats certain, like it suits out the good parts and it divides the bad parts within your soul, within your life as it is. So now to remove that, Because now abantu abaphila phansi komthunzi elanga have this idea ukuthi every day ngo-12 kumele ngiye lapha ekhoneni yami ngicela imali kanti no ucela phezu kwani. What do you provide? What do you give back so that izinto zakho mazongena zikukhanyele ushwele kuzo zonke izenzo zakho zenzile uwenza kanjani ukuthi uzirectify? Now why don't you ask yourself this question ukuthi each and every single year imvula iyana? You understand what I'm saying? Imvula iyana ina for a certain reason. My sengikhulumela in terms of spirituality. My inner imvula, it cleanses itself. You understand? It cleanses itself ukuthi mazongena kumunye umnyaka iqale kabusha. You understand? Igeza ezinye izinto esike zayenzala kuyo. And now when as a person uthi imvula yanginetha yangeza do isigeza yona self, because you as a person wenze umhlaba wenze lento uyenzile yangcola. Do you understand? Now yona self yasigeza ngendlela ethize and then iphokophela iyaphambili ukushiya emuva wena uzongena ngani ngomthwalo othize and then mawuhamba uthi I have a new year resolution and kanti do you gonna live the same life because of your last year's mistakes. You understand what I'm saying? Now, things that you need to know and understand before going to the next year. Definitely make sure that your shrine, your corner, it's pure at its best. Because of zonke ezimthwalo wakho uwela kubantu abadala labo bahleli khona. Mawuphahla lapha bakhathele ngendlela exakile. Now, for an example, before sizongena ku 2019 December time 31st, I'm sure about this. Ngathi 90% of abantu abaningi imimoya yabo behlangahlangene ngendlela exakile. Abanye bahlulekile ukuhamba kuyojiva. Abanye bahlulekile ukuyoyenza ezinye izinto bayosijabulisa. Imimoya behlangahlangene bakhathele abantu abaningi. The December was not nice for a bunch of people, for a couple of people, because of those energies zisuke zize ziyiningi ke manje and manje asana indawo yokufika kuyona. So to prevent that from happening, guys, make sure your spirits, your energy, your body, your whole self is clean, so that mazongena ngale definitely sure ungena ngendlela exakile, ungena ngendlela emnandi, and you uphokophela uyaphambili indlela zakho zakuvulekela ngendlela ethize. Ngoba abantu abadala yibo abababekile ukuthi nayi ingane yakho ayizwa, deal with that, otherwise I'm gonna feed unto you. When I feed unto you, you're gonna have nothing. So that's why kuba nezifo eziningi kanje ngoba umuntu idlosiwe suke selikhathele lithi ayikhona yazi sengizwile impela nje sengizwile ngcono ngithathele ukungihlala nawe ngoba ayikho into ongenzela ayikho into oyenzela kulo mhlaba. You understand? Ngoba izifo eziningi ziza ngokuthi manje the universe is feeding unto you and your ancestors. You understand what I'm saying? So now it's very important for you guys to understand that cleansing is most important. More especially for abantu abaphethwe amadlozi. Nisenkingeni shame. Senkingeni. Ngoba amadlozi ayaxabana ke manje alwisana nawe ngendlela exakile wena you in denial, you neglecting them, so they're gonna neglect you back. They're gonna feed onto you, your financial status, your relationships, everything. You understand? Because these people that are capable of destroying each and every single thing, they can make like a big building to fall down into small little pieces. So when as a human being you need to understand that you need to acknowledge your people, have peace within yourself, have an agreement, have even a communication it is now. Cleanse your soul, cleanse your body, cleanse indaba zakho zabantu abadala. Doesn't mean ukuthi wanomsamo since ubekile awumelanga ukuthi uhlambe uyahlanjululwa khehla likagogo. That's why uzoba nenkinga nomuntu ozwana naye ngoba wena awufuni ukulandela izinto zakho. You understand? So follow those rituals, do your proper things, understand what you're going through. Ngena kunyaka omusha uwazi ukuthi kumele uwenzeni ukuthi izinto zakho zihambe ngendlela. Now I'm talking about your financial situations. Abantu abaningi wafika kuthi na akusana next. That time, uthi amen. They feeding onto your luck, they feeding everything, they feeding bayadla ke bona ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bakhululeke. Yathola babhadile ikweletu zakho. Uthi wena nje maqeda ukusebenza kusena next. Uthi makwenza ukuthi mawuthi uyahlanganisa kusena next. Ayikho into yohlangana kanti no. Inhlanhla zakho the following year bayithathile abantu abadala kuwe basivele bona nje kore nje bazibekele khoneni ukuthi bona bakwazi ukuhlala basafe. Wena usala ungena next uthi January do February do uzocala ukuthi kancane for manje ngoba siba right kodwa abanye abantu ize iyafika no-October umuntu angena next every month imali iyaphela kanje. Kanti abantu abadala bayihlephulile bayidlile, they fed on your chelete and they used it for themselves ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi baphile kahle ngoba nabo lapha bakhona baphila ngokuthula. Ukuze bathole ukuthula kwamele they have duties unto wena, they have duties izinto kumele bazenze ukuthi izinto zihambe ngendlela efanelekile. So now in conclusion is that believe in yourself, believe in your ancestors, do the right things. Yenza ushwele ngendlela efanelekile. Ungafuni ukuthi ngidinga untate ngidinga umura nge-last minute ngo-12 o'clock. That prayer is you doing it in vain actually. You're doing it vain because of now into enijwayele enga-understand. So into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi zilungiselele before that time comes so that mawuzokwazi ukungena so shaya istempu ukuthi ngiyabona. So ngena endabeni zakho noJesu, so ngena endabeni zakho ezaJanuary omusha, so ubona into zakho zihambela kahle kanti no ube walungisa before time. You understand? So prep it's most important to your life. So bantu abadala lungisani imimoya yenu, get your things in order properly. If you need cleansing, definitely sure do that. Some work definitely sure it needs that cleansing because of you have invited so many energies along the year. Remove that energies, then definitely sure next year is gonna you're gonna feel good. You're gonna feel good. So I'm